Well, she's on there. It's could use a little. If I just put a little beaver tail on the back, it'd be perfect. But I could also chop these off. I would get her forward just a bit more. Plenty of room up top. I don't think the winch is going to be used. Yeah, it's right on the edge. Maybe I'll put some straps forward off the rear diff. I don't want it to fall off. Now I have to measure how high it is. Yeah, that one didn't hit that, so I must be more that way. Anyways, it's on there.